What's up guys, welcome back to Vic's Vehicles. So today I'm going to talk about my exhaust setup, what it was like when I bought the car, what it was like before, and the current setup, and what my plans are for the future. So when I first got it, there was a leak between the secondary cat and the resonator. I had the option of just, patching up the leak, but I thought at that point might as well just replace the whole exhaust and just go with a brand new setup. So what I decided to do was eliminate the primary, secondary cats and also the resonators. So that way it would be basically a straight pipe from the headers all the way back to the rear mufflers. But I wanted to, put a high flow cat in there as well, just to make sure the exhaust wouldn't smell and just keep some sort of emissions in there. So I did and put in a a single in, a dual out Magnaflow cat, and I gotta say it works really well. The exhaust smells like a normal car. There's no smell at all, so I'm pretty happy with the Magnaflow cat. Highly recommend that. As far as the sound goes, when I had just a cat in there and the rear muffler, it was actually a really good setup. It was still pretty quiet, but you could still hear a decent growl when you step on the gas. But ultimately, it was just a little too quiet for me. So then, my next setup, I decided to, just do a muffler delete. So I kept the secondary Magnaflow cat in there, but otherwise it's just a straight pipe out back. And I gotta say, it sounds amazing. I never thought this Mercedes V8 could sound like that, but it's actually just a little too loud. If this was like a muscle car or a sports car, I could probably deal with it. But when you're just cruising around in the Benz, you don't want something too obnoxious. And right now, like, I do get a fair amount of exhaust drone with the muffler delete. So my future plan is to put a Magnaflow muffler on there. Hopefully that quiets it down just a little bit and eliminates the drone, but it will still be loud enough, where like when I step on it, it still puts a smile on my face. So yeah, check out these clips. So the first clip is you'll see what it was like when I had the stock muffler and the high flow cat in there. And then the clips after that are when I did the muffler delete. thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you found this video informative and helpful, and I hope it helps you out when you make your own exhaust choices on which setup to go. And please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. And I still got more videos coming out. My next one will be when I get the Magnaflow muffler installed. So hopefully it achieves the results I want. Quiet it down a little bit, eliminate the drone, but still sound nice at the same time. So stay tuned and catch that next.